Hey, you can't Johnny. Victor, mimi wa hada dada. See it. What see for? No, I want to see what see for. What's it from? What's it from? Mr. Maya, I'm from I'm going to know marketing from how to hide. Say how I hide this into the best interest. Say Ghana and Asanteman is so the woman I was for the person I am original yeah, Papa, Ashanti Regional Minister, Dr. Frank Kofi Abuakuhini Adekayensa, and somebody will form. Akodanya Safono, Abredi Opaskota Obia, Bobo, Obia, Batana, and not in the movie industry, especially Ashanti region, Yadama Kumasi, and not in never to never was said, Yanga Film Summit, and Famua, your film industry. Kumaya, Doctor, I need you to go Baba and Kakiti Kaya in it. Thank you. In Kumasi, girl. Let me guess you. Wow, yeah. So, you were Joe, we have a marker. You know what I'm it's been nature crowd.
I would like to commend the organizers for convening this important gathering at a time when our industry must make critical decisions about its future. We meet at a defining moment for Ghana's film industry. For some time, we have all acknowledged the challenges confronting the sector. That is limited access to financing, weak distribution systems, inconsistent production quality, and gaps in regulation and enforcement. But before I continue, I would like to give a huge kudos to the drama troupe that came out. I should have started with a round of applause for them. Well, these are not new issues. What is new, however, is the level of alignment and commitment we are beginning to see toward addressing them in a structured and a very deliberate way. Today I want to speak about direction. I want to share with you the strategic focus of the National Film Authority and the concrete steps being taken together with governments and industry stakeholders to revive and sustainably develop Ghana's film industry. At the center of this renewed effort is a clear understanding. We cannot grow this industry without structure, investment, and market success. It is within the context that I am pleased to highlight a significant intervention by the government. If you haven't heard, the Ministry of Finance has allocated 20 million Ghana cedis to the Film Development Fund, which is scheduled to be operationalized in the second quarter of 2026. I thought we were going to applaud His Excellency John Kumasi for considering us and keeping us in his books and keeping true to his words. This is a critical step in repositioning the industry. The fund is intended as a strategic tool to stimulate growth across the value chain. It will support production, yes, but beyond that, it will also prioritize capacity building, distribution and access to markets. It is designed to unlock opportunities, attract additional investment, and improve the overall competitiveness of Ghanaian film. And I'm a son of 7 homes, and you're kind of 500. Where to the time? Wonderful. Empire.
Some of what we